Lockdown project number 2, is it? I don't know. I'm not too sure. I've lost count. So in this one, what I'm looking at doing is, for the table saw, is building a crosscut sled, just in case when I am doing future projects or whatever it may be, it'll make life a hell of a lot easier. So yeah, let's get down to it and lockdown project number 2. So the plan is to use that, place it on top of that, using these hardwood runners, which I've already pre-cut, because to be honest, getting the sizes of all them can take quite a while, to be honest. But mount that on there. Once that's on there, apply an incrafence to it, so I'll be able to do a stop block or something very, very similar to that. So yeah, I've got plenty of scrap up there, I've got plenty of scrap back behind there, so I might as well make use of it, and I've got plenty of time, so let's go and get into. Okay, there you go, there's the crosscut sled. Quite an easy job, to be honest. Moves forward nice and easy. I've got the adjustable incrafence at the top there. I'm going to get some T-bolts and some proper stops for it, because I have improvised to make it work, but like I said, it works either way. One runner at the base. Going to get some paste wax on that just to make it run a little bit smoother, but size wise and accuracy wise, more than happy with that. So I think the next job, once I've done this, well, once this is all like finalized, is an adapter for my router base, so I can utilize the router, but I need to get my head around that first. But yeah, that's that. That can live underneath with the table. So there you go, there's another lockdown project done. Getting quite good at this, might do this more often. But yeah, I think the next thing that I'll look at is the router fence, just so I can start utilising the router base a little bit more. Because at the minute, I'm probably going to have to keep nipping my dad's to use his, because his has got a proper setup, whereas I'm improvising with mine. But yeah, crosscut sled, all nice and done. Pocket hole jig. I just need some more material so I can finish off the first project, which is the doors and stuff, but we'll see. We'll see how long we've got left. But yeah, thanks for watching again, and yeah, see you soon.